Test 1 review, Part A, questions 11 to 13. So insert a greater than or less than sign between the paired numbers. So we need to say which number is bigger, which number is smaller. So I always have a number line, -1, -2, 2, 3. So -2 and 3, this one is bigger, so the alligator has to eat the bigger number. But it says A, so I have to look here, and then it has a 1, so I have to go down here and I have to choose the one that goes this way, there. So let's look at number 2. We don't really have to look here, we can look down here, but that's confusing. So it's -4 and -3. So -4 and -3, so you know this one's bigger, so I have to make it eating this one because it's bigger. So 1 is B, and it has a number 2 here, so I have to go here, and I have to choose it that way. 3. -3 and 0. Well, 0 is bigger, so again I have to make the alligator eat this one, so I have to do it this way. So 3 is number 3, go here. Alligator that way. There. The alligator always eats the bigger number. -3 and -7. Well, -7 would be down here, and there's -3, so this one is bigger. So now the alligator has to eat it this way. Here's my alligator. So this way. Number 4, I have to go this way, this way. That's that one. Okay? Let's look at the next question. So write the numbers in increasing order from left to right. Increasing, that means big to small. So I always start increasing. That does not mean big to small. That means small to big. I'm so sorry. Small to big. Just like a number line. So I see 0, so I'm going to start in the middle. What goes next to 0? Up here, a 2. Let's just put commas. But I'm thinking a number line. 8. Now I'm going to go this way, but smaller. -2 goes next. -8 goes next. -9 goes next. Now I put the numbers in the spaces. Okay, so first I write it out on paper, and then I put them in the space. So now it says write the numbers from increasing order. That means small to big, just like a number line. Okay, so I don't have a 0, but I'm going to pretend I have a 0. So what goes next to 0? There's no positive numbers, so there's nothing on this side. -1 is next. -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So I have to go -6, -5, -4, -3, -1. Okay, so increasing means small to big, just like the number line. So write it out on paper first, and then put it in the spaces.